Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing variables that cause freezes. First, unplug all peripherals and external displays. Sometimes a hung device stops the whole system. Next, force a shutdown by holding the power button for about 8 to 12 seconds. If your machine has a removable battery, take it out briefly. Once done, disconnect AC power, wait 30 seconds to drain capacitors, then reconnect and power on. This clears transient firmware hangs and gives the OS a clean restart environment. If the freeze repeats, boot into safe mode so the system loads only essential drivers. That narrows whether software or drivers cause the issue. Once in, run integrity checks. On Windows, run sfc/scano and dism to repair system files. On Mac, use disk utility first aid. Also inspect the event viewer or console for error messages and note timestamps. These diagnostics reveal corrupted drivers, failing updates, or software conflicts and guide the next targeted fixes. Now resolve the root cause. Update your graphics and chipset drivers from the vendor site or rollback if a recent driver caused the freeze. Make sure your operating system is fully updated and remove any recently installed apps or updates that match the freeze timestamps. If freezes persist, back up your files and try a clean OS reinstall. If problems remain after reinstall, run vendor hardware diagnostics to check RAM and storage. One key troubleshooting tip: reseat memory modules and test with one stick at a time to isolate faulty RAM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.